In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete all symbols in MetaTrader 5. Start by making sure you're logged into MetaTrader 5 and that the Market Watch section is visible on your screen. You'll usually find it on the left side of the platform, where it displays the available trading instruments such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, and other symbols provided by your broker. Once the Market Watch window is visible, move your mouse over any symbol in the list. It doesn't matter which symbol you choose, because the same option is available regardless of which one you select. Right-click directly on the symbol. This will open a context menu containing several options related to the Market Watch window and the symbols that are currently displayed. Look through the menu until you find the option labeled Hide All. This is the option you'll use to remove all of the visible symbols from the Market Watch list. Click on Hide All. As soon as you select this option, MetaTrader 5 will hide every symbol that is currently visible in the Market Watch window. The symbols are not permanently removed from the platform. They are simply hidden from view, which means you can display them again whenever you need them. After clicking Hide All, take a moment to look at the Market Watch panel. Depending on your broker and platform configuration, you may see an empty list or only a very small default set of symbols remaining. At this point, your Market Watch window has been cleared, making it much easier to organize the instruments you want to monitor. If you decide to display symbols again later, move your mouse inside the Market Watch window, right-click within the panel, and use the available symbols or add options to locate the instruments you want. Once you find a symbol, make it visible again using the available option in the platform. You can repeat that process until your Market Watch window contains only the instruments you want to keep visible. Whenever you want to clear the list again, simply return to the Market Watch panel, right-click on any visible symbol, and choose Hide All one more time. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.